Welcome to AKM Tech Class. Here, we empower you to add value to your life and achieve the luxury lifestyle you've always dreamed of. If you're ready to unlock the secrets to success, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next valuable video. Today's topic. We're diving into the AI goldmine tools that will help you launch a faceless YouTube or Instagram channel and start earning money online. In this video, we'll cover 6 easy ways to make money on Instagram and YouTube using powerful AI tools like ChatGPT for creating viral content, Canva for eye-catching designs, and CapCut for seamless video editing, all from your smartphone. If you've been procrastinating, now is the time to take action. Imagine how much your life could change if you started today. Let's break it down. Here are the top 3 AI tools we'll focus on today. ChatGPT for generating engaging video scripts, captions, and content ideas. Canva for creating stunning visuals, thumbnails, and social media posts. CapCut for editing high-quality videos with just your smartphone. Now let's talk about the 6 easy ways you can start making money. 1. Affiliate marketing. Use ChatGPT to craft compelling captions and call-to-action posts. Share product links on your Instagram or YouTube and earn commissions on sales. 2. Digital product sales. Create ebooks, templates, or courses using Canva and sell them through your pages. 3. Ad revenue. Upload engaging videos edited in CapCut to YouTube and monetize them through ads. 4. Sponsored content. Build your audience with consistent, high-quality posts and get paid to promote brands. 5. Faceless content channels. Use ChatGPT to write scripts, Canva for visuals, and CapCut for video editing. Perfect for tutorials, facts, or motivational channels. 6. Social media management. Use these tools to manage and grow pages for clients, earning a steady income. Stay tuned for the next video. In our next video, we'll go deeper into all the AI tools you need to create a successful faceless Instagram or YouTube page. You don't want to miss it. Subscribe now, and let's transform your life together.